Hello there! Today I will show you how to create beaded jewelry patterns using my custom templates for Procreate. I will share my process and give you some tips and tricks. So I create screen size file and choose one of the 11 stamps. I place it on the first layer. Then create second layer and place it just right under the previous one. Choose background color and start to create jewelry shape. As for me, if I don't have exact idea, I start experimenting with colors and shapes till I really like it. When I'm happy with my design, I erase everything that I don't need anymore, or I can leave it for future changes. I would recommend to place the pattern in the middle of template. So later, if you want to change the shape, like to make it longer, wider, whatever, you can do that easily. Separate the same color designs on different layers. Go to the Hue Saturation Brightness and play with the layer color. This way you can try different variations and choose what you like. Duplicate design layer, pick up the copy and place it on the right side. And voila! You have a base to create another pattern or mismatch earrings. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like to grab your templates pack, please follow link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.